Hi there, folks, and I'm Bo Belisle, and this is
Kelsey Beauregard, and we'd like to welcome you to Camp Woodleaf Winter Camp 2005.
and is formally sponsored by Woodard Chevrolet right over there. No, I'm just
not really.
no, it's not at all. We got about 61 kids coming here, and we got a newcomer over here, my good friend
Jerry Peterson.
Jerry Peterson, right there. What do you think that Woodleaf's gonna be like?
Hopefully fun.
Did you hear that? Hopefully fun. Here's Kelsey.
And we got little Shelby over here. Shelby, so what are you looking forward to at camp?
Having fun.
Now you hear it, folks. That's from Shelby. We'll see you later at Camp Woodleaf. Take it away! Stop.
Yeah, that's live history.
Kyle Hubbard, newcomer, he gets to clean the bathrooms. Oh, you're going down! Bathrooms! We'll leave on 5, baby! Clean the bathrooms, newcomers.
Yeah, newcomers clean bathrooms, the rule. So the rule. I had to do it, you're gonna have to do it. All
Everyone
you
does
newcomers
it.
have to do it.
Hi there, folks. Bo here again. And we're having some temporary difficulties on leaving, so I'm going to interview some more people. So, what do you guys think about Woodleaf? What do you think your expectations are? Being cold?
Well, I'm really looking forward to the mud fight again. It was off the hook last year, and the ladies are going to be partying in the room. I'm looking forward to hanging out with my girls who are coming this year for the first time. Yeah.
Yeah, and I've never been here before, and I've heard many stories, and it sounds like lots of fun. I can't wait.
So, there's two of our first timers. And wait, I almost forgot Steve.
Last year, blast. No, nothing but a blast.
Take Brian down.
Train wreck. Me and Dante going down. Train wreck down. Derailed. It's over.
Oh, yeah, and Bo.
And I'm the only champ here, so these guys are going down anyways. And thank you, folks. Good night. Hi there, folks. Bo here again. The bus is just arriving. We're getting prepared to leave. And here's another new one.
Hi, my name's Missy. I'm so stoked.
She's stoked. And
I'm
here's-
Jackie, and I'm heck of excited. I'm Brittany, and I'm stoked too.
They're stoked and excited. They can't wait to get up there, folks. And it looks like we're about to leave, so goodbye.
Bo, do something. Yeah, Woodleaf 2005. It's Friday night. You wanna hang out with your friends, 'cause you've had it up to here. School just started and you wonder to yourself, where did my summer go? But it'll be alright tonight. Friday night, let's go. Let's all have some fun tonight. Alright, here we go tonight. It's Monday again, and it feels like it never ends. Where did your life go? Did you forget what it was like? This week is way too slow. It'll never end. When will it go? You made it through the week, and now you feel just fine. There'll be no nervous breakdown tonight. Friday night, let's go. Have fun tonight. Alright, here we go tonight. Friday night, let's go. Let's all have fun tonight. Alright, here we go tonight. It doesn't matter where we go or what we do. Let's just do it now. Go to the gas station and hang out there all night. It'll be alright. Friday night, let's go. Let's all have some fun tonight. Alright, here we go tonight. Friday night, let's go. Let's all have some fun tonight. Alright, here we go tonight.
His turn to choke.
What? What? You talking to me? Get in my face.
I've been looking for love in all the wrong places. I've been looking for love in too many faces. I've been looking for love. I've been looking for love. It's what I've been dreaming of.
Hey, I'm here with Jonay and Stacy, and they had their very first game. So how was it? Was you nervous?
No.
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 A lot of spinning out there. You wasn't.
No.
What about you, Stacy?
No.
Oh.
I was dizzy. Dizzy.
You was dizzy?
Yes.
Oh. All right. Thanks for the interview. You guys have a nice day, and back to club.
Go ahead.
Folks, don't try this at home.
greatest contact. There's no disrespect, so when I bust my rhyme, you break your necks. We got 5 minutes for us to disconnect from all intellect and let the rhythm affect. Symbols of inhibition, intuition, feel it, so tradition. When we be out, girls will leave that. You wouldn't believe how we ride. Burn it till it's burned out, clean it till it's turned out. Act up from your best east side. Everybody, everybody, let's get into it. Get stoned, get started, get started, get started. Let's get it started. Let's get it started. Let's get it started. Let's get it started. Yeah, let's get it started. Let's get it started. Yeah, let's get it started. Let's get it started. Yeah, yeah.
What's going on, Andrew?
Oh, hey, what's up? Nothing. I just had the weirdest dream.
What was it about?
Well,
you were more beautiful than anyone ever. Every day, you're the same. You never change, no, never. You were more beautiful than anyone ever. Every day, you're the same. You never change, no, never. And how could I ever deny the love of my Savior? You out of me, everything, all I need forever. How could you be so good? There is no one like you. There has never, ever been anyone like you. Everywhere you were there, earth or air surrounding. I'm not alone, the heavens sing along. My God, you're so astounding. How could you be so good to me? Eternally, I believe there is no one like you. There has never, ever been anyone like you. There is no one like you. There has never, ever been anyone like you. You. How could you be so good to me? How could you be so good to me? We're not alone, so sing along. We're not alone, so sing along, sing along, sing along. Here we go. There is no one like you. There has never, ever been anyone like you. There is no one like you. There has never, ever been anyone like you. There is
Thanks, guys. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm here walking around. I think we're about ready to do a snowball fight or something. I'm not sure. I got Phil here with the snowball fight. Hey, Phil. Oh, okay. Hold on. I see a pie gun. Hold on, Phil. Phil, how's it going? What are you looking forward to in this snowball fight?
Pegging some people hard, right in the face.
Just like he did to you, or you did him?
What?
Just like he did to you, or you did him?
Who?
Jordan there.
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna do that to him.
Okay.
We want freedom!
I'm here with the ladies. I'm gonna fix my exposure there. Okay, good. So, you guys ready?
Oh, we're ready to rumble.
Yeah.
We're gonna dominate some butt. Yeah.
You ready?
Domination. One word. Battle of sexes. Domination.
You're unbelievable.
This is the last.
Oh, this is gonna be You're gonna get with your partner. Everyone, shh, listen up.
Check the method when I clock these low, no joke like Pronto, that's so Jonto, up in this condo in Toronto. Either way, the fuck comes stand, just to confuse the one damn. Watch me dropping the day, break the sun down. It's smoke clear, when you think of me standing there, gripping full mic, swinging the cords up in the air like cowboys. When you're rocking the territory in this rap game, and Christ bless this with the octane. Same name created the world in 7 days. Change your life, you be the maze man, don't trip. We gon' carry on with the funk shit, clutch preparing the power punch shit. The things you say, the word will never push me away. The things you say, you're unbelievable. And you're so unbelievable. I just wanna make jams, pack the clubs and stadiums, so people of all types will making the crowd hype. I got Christ in me, for the life of me, stand truly thankful for the sights I see, and sparks be ignited. The minute we start writing, God placed me in this fire to speak to enlighten, and I'm just that type of lyrical rhyme sniper, never a street fighter, but damn for getting hyper. I'm a beat junkie brother, I know by MC, living through tracks like epidemic disease. Shout out to JC, cause he reigns supreme. Party people out there know what I mean. The things you say, you would never push me away. The things you say, you're unbelievable. And you sound unbelievable. Check this out. Stepped on the scene after age of 13, crystal clean. Kick it like you never seen. Big expansion to bypassing. Drew off Marin and Manson up in his mansion. Out to rock the globe, well, I still hit a rock. Things to make you drop your jaw, rolling on you like a door. It's the Grudge Coalition crowd on a mission now, original. Giving MCs beat down, sweet buzz with the extreme plus the 10 warriors and no Taurus 100, no joke. We let it flow, man, for real though. Stepping on sneakers to steal toes. The things you say, you work never push me away. The things you say, you're unbelievable. And you sound unbelievable.
Everybody, let's get into it. Get stoned, get it started, get it started, get it started. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. Yeah.
Lose control, a body and soul. Don't move too fast, people just take it slow. Don't get ahead, just jump into it. Y'all hear about it? The P's will do it. Get started.
I'm here with the ladies. Yeah, and they're just chilling. They went through the inner tube, I think. Hold on. Hey, how do you think you guys did on the inner tube? Or what's the inner? Not the inner tube, but what the ring thing?
We skipped it.
You skipped?
What?
What'd you do at the interview? What was up?
I did not fall. Me and Christina did an awesome job, and we should be professionals.
Hey, wait, you guys do all right on the tube thing or whatever? You know all the stuff.
I couldn't do it, but I have a messed up knee.
Okay, how'd you guys?
We were good. We didn't fall. We're awesome. Yeah.
And you, Miss Martinez?
Oh, Ella was my partner. We rocked, man. We rocked.
I'm here with a team that they broke their chain. They had a little fight over there. What's up with your team, like disqualifying you like that?
They're out of control.
They're out of control. They're out of control. Look at these guys. They're out of control, folks. I don't know what to say. They're out of control.
Cotton Eye Joe. This is delicious.
I dipped him, dude. I got him, dude. I'm done.
How did it happen? It hit me so bad. It hit me so bad.
I'm dragging that girl from the mud. You want to play Drop It Like It's Hot? Michael Jackson.
Good stuff.
I didn't know that song.
Oh, I so got that. I
don't think so. Sorry.
You can go shave now.
I think they do.
Let me wipe off my eyes.
He's staying down halfway.
That thing's bruising.
Drag him through it! Drag him! Drag him! Sorry. Yes!
No, he's not okay.
Yes, Steve! Not do like a shit. He's good, he's good. Like a shit.
Hey, Billy. Billy. You should say hi.
I shall.
His name is Billy too.
I like that name.
Come, Chad.
You can tell.
I think the water is like
No, I think it's not that warm. There you go.
like 12 degrees under zero.
That's it, Danny. Is there anything you'd like to say?
This is fun. That's right.
You look amazing.
Man.
Please be
That's it,
careful
we're
with that
out.
big snowball.
That's what it is. We out.
Okay. It can hurt you.
That's it. Yeah. That is it. That's it, man. That's it, y'all. That's it. Yeah. We out of here.
I think that's fun. Do it again. Watch this.
This is gonna be what?
Where are you being over?
Hey. It's not bad.
Oh my God.
Where'd it go?
Coach. I told you wasn't that bad.
I went in. Where do you think I went?
I can't believe. Oh my God.
Excuse me. My feelings for you are like a bad case of diarrhea. I just can't hold them in. No, hold on, hold still. Lock me! Lock me! Lock me! Lock me!
Adjust the bass to high level so we can vibe. Count to 10 with the trouble go running high. Stare in the face, catching the feeling you like. It ain't where you been, but it's a place that's high. Part of a clan, it's all the dawn of man. It smells the stench, and pass the gas in the fan. We got inspiration, lifting information, invade location with no intimidation. You handle it, yeah. The standard we set. How we came, move the place, and we humbly let others try and rip when they came to grip the chrome. Gas with the trip, couldn't stand up on their own. I ain't one to glow, sing or rock the boat. It's a provoking shock, the way I go for the growth. This my tale, don't roll the third rail. Sunshine don't fail, don't like it, oh well.
When you wake up in the morning, see the grits, them a come with it. Now tell me it's your feel like don't ever let them steal like when you wake up in the morning, see the grits, them a come with it. Now tell me it's your feel like don't ever let them steal like
Sun rays cut through the haze and gray days and blaze grace amazing, heating the place, keeping the faith, thinking while I'm speaking his way, seeking his face, ruination lighting the way, fight to stay, forever on the righteous path. I did the math, counted every cost I had, my loss was done. Now I only crave the sun, a gift the sun, curse to the ignorant ones who live in the dark, need of a life to spark the pierced apart, red sea of life and heart, ripped apart, sign sealed and healed by God, and that's my word. Forget about the rest you heard. If you out there, let it put you back in place. Got a problem? Don't let it crack the case. In the blackness throughout the space and time, let the flame burn peace and feel the sunshine.
when you wake up in the morning, see the grits, them a come with it. Now tell me it's your feel like don't ever let them steal like when you wake up in the morning, see the grits, them a come with it. Now tell me it's your feel like don't ever let them steal like
dude. That's all he has.
Hey, don't stand up. They were supposed to pick up that new
Get down lower. Get lower. Get lower. There you go.
Watch out for the full choke, bud.
If you were a burger at McDonald's, you'd be a McHottie.
Baby, you look like some hot soup and I got the flu.
Your name must be Hockey, because I never play you.
Girls, is your daddy a thief? Because he must have stole the stars and put them in your eyes. That is so sweet.
I am looking beneath the appearance of things to what gives them their life. I am trying to see what my eyes cannot see. See the artist's hand in his masterpiece. Your heart is shining in everything I see. Your art is wonderful. You are beautiful to me. Beautiful to me. Yeah. I am listening to the sweet music of you, not the rhythm or rhyme, but the way they intertwine. Your heart is shining in everything I see. Your art is wonderful. You are beautiful to me. Beautiful to me. Yeah, yeah.
The one who died for us, who was raised to life for us, is in the presence of God at this very moment,
hatred, not hunger, not homelessness, not bullying threats, not backstabbing, not even the worst. None of this phases us because Jesus loves us.
Your heart is shining in everything I see. Your heart is wonderful. You are beautiful to me. Beautiful to me. Beautiful to me. Beautiful to me. Yeah, come.
Try and trick people, Dante.
Oh, yes. Yes. Hi, Mom! Well, forever.
I'm out. 2004, 5.
That's okay.
Peace.
Bye, Willie. See you next year. Woo!
You know I'm trying to be a cage fighter.
Yes.
What? What?
Young side!
I love you guys. LaFonda is the best thing that has ever happened to me. I'm 100% sure she's my soulmate. Peace out. What? What?
We're out on 5.
How fun was that weekend? It was incredible.
Yes.